Hello. So with miracle pens that are causing blindness, headaches, drugs with so many side effects, insane diets, and exercises that never seem to work, today the natural supplements approved by the FDA are the safest way to lose weight. And with this one comes Mitolyn. Not just a natural supplement, but incredibly with differential to have quick effects. Is it really good? In this complete review today, I say everything you need to know quickly and simply to understand. Well, Mitolyn is one of the best dietary supplements out there today that is helping people to lose weight. And by that, I mean really lose weight. Go, let's say maybe 6 sizes down or more. So if you are intrigued by Mitolyn and you know how effective it is and you want to start using it today, I left for you their official webpage right here below this video in the description box. Guys, it's a click away for you. You make a really safe purchase there and you also understand what Mitolyn is, okay? So don't miss out on that. But guys, yes, today's modern world, there's just so many people busy. And of course, fast food comes to our doorstep just like that. So it is quite easy to put on weight. And the minute we realize we are overweight, it's already too late sometimes, because then comes the hard part, losing weight at the gym, doing crazy old diets, the struggle, the stress. But with Mitolyn, everything seems to flow. Everything's a lot easier. Everything's a lot faster. And on top of all of that, everything's a lot healthier too. Mitolyn is a dietary supplement that targets your mitochondrial function, which is just a simple enzyme that is in your cells that helps your bodies to understand when it is time to lose weight. So by fixing your mitochondrial function, you are actually helping your body understand that it's time to lose weight. It's time to function. And it starts to melt off all the fats around it. That's why Mitolyn is a supplement that can help your body work around 24/7. And it's actually working really fast to melt these fats off. So the result is that as you're jumping on a scale day by day, you are realizing these changes, guys. You are actually seeing, that as you're putting on your jeans, they're a lot loose. They are falling off from your waist. So Mitolyn is actually incredibly great and fast because of the natural ingredients you get in it. So all these ingredients, they are healthy, they are safe, they have no GMOs, they have no side effects, and no contraindications. However, Mitolyn is really powerful, but in order for you to obtain results with it, like really get the weight loss you need, you have to take Mitolyn seriously. You're using it every day. You're using it for 3 or 6 months, and yes, it is FDA approved in the GMP certified facility right here in the States. So you have to take Mitolyn really seriously in order for you to really obtain the weight loss you are seeking, guys. Think about that. And in case you don't like it, there is a money-back guarantee waiting for you on their official webpage, okay? Thanks for watching. Hope I helped you out. I'll see you all next time. Bye.